Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fabiola Palen and I would like to submit my reading report on this week about fossilization, and it will be divided by several points. The first is transfer. Transfer is a word that coming because of accident from our old language. For example, like I speak English right now, and suddenly I use a word, an Indonesia word because of accident and because of habit, because my first language is or my old language is bahasa Indonesia, so it accidentally accidentally happen, so it's transfer. So it's like a kind of habit. When we want to try a new language, then accidentally combine with our old old language. And sometimes this transfer, it will be good for everyone to understand, but sometimes it's also bad thing, because as nuisance. So it calls interference. Next is positive transfer. Positive transfer is um, as easier transfer for someone who want to learn uh, from for Indonesian people to learn English, because it's like have a same structure or not pronunciation but almost same with Indonesia pronunciation. For example, like television, in Indonesia we say televisi. Next, education, we say in English, but in Indonesia we say edukasi, and it almost same. So it's easier for someone who want to learn English. And for a sentence, we can use like I eat rice every day. So it use SPOK structure in Indonesia. I eat rice every day. Saya makan nasi setiap hari. So it use SPOK structures. It's easier. Next is the next is negative transfer. Negative transfer is kind of hard for Indonesian people to learn English, because the vocabulary is different from Indonesia vocabulary. For example, like membaca in English we call it read, and that's different, and uh, that's so hard for Indonesian people to learn English. And how their structure or grammatical or tenses different, such as we just like say, if in English, because in English present continuous, we need to have we need to add the auxiliary and change the vocabulary to be verb, such as I'm reading a book. In Indonesia we just say aku sedang baca buku. So it's hard. And in Indonesia doesn't have present past perfect, and other tenses like use have been, had been, has been, or had to tell something that happened before. So it's hard for Indonesian people to learn English with this negative transfer. Next is what else I forgot. Next is fossilization. Okay, fossilization is mean cold, mean like freeze. Yes, freeze. It happened because of people who learn other language beside their first language. They will stuck mean like they just stuck in that level. Here's the thing: if a child if a child learns uh, other language, they can improve their second language better, far better than an adult who learn other language, because they still have a fresh memory to learn, and a good memory, good brain for there to study, and they can still learn it. Uh, they can still learn it like grammatical tenses, how they speak, and all. Sometimes a child, uh, s- I ever saw a child who speak English. He is from Indonesia also, but he spoke like a native speaker in English, and it happens uh, because he used to learn English. He used to use English in their daily life, and he's still a child. But mature people, for example, like me, actually, I that I mean I we can speak, an adult can speak language, can speak other language, but they can uh, better than a child who learn it since they are kid, because they don't have a, a, a fresh memory like a child, and also they can speak English the same like a native speaker, and also about how their pronunciation, but also the tenses, and all, and other things. So that's a fossilization. So it just stuck in this way, and they can improve it. That's fossilization, freeze. Next is local. Local, no, global mistake. If I'm not mistaken, but global mistake is like someone who have someone who speak English and have a lot of mistake, but and it change the meaning sometimes. But just like local just like one mistake. For example, someone can speak R because in Indonesia we say it as chada. They can say R word, and that's just a small mistake, but global is more like a bigger mistake than a local. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.